Take control against frizz. Nexxus Ultralight Smooth Shampoo weightlessly blocks out frizz in up to 98% humidity, when using the Ultralight Smooth System. Hair treatment with PROTEINFUSION. Enriched with almond protein and jasmine flower, this moisturizing shampoo smooths frizzy hair, tames flyaways and restores strength from within. For smooth hair, this smoothing shampoo keeps hair smooth for up to 72 hours when used as a system with Nexxus Ultralight Smooth Conditioner and is sulfate and silicone free. See the science. This shampoo is scientifically proven to restore strength from within, while an invisible barrier forms around each strand for smoother hair and long-lasting frizz protection. Ultralight Smooth System. This hair treatment system featuring a sulfate and silicone-free shampoo, moisturizing conditioner, and lightweight serum works together to revive dry and frizzy hair. Hair care experts. Our experts translate latest trends and technologies into innovative beauty products, like this shampoo, and ingredients to deliver the best, salon-quality results. Top reviews from the United States. Good shampoo. My daughter has curly color-treated hair and she really likes this shampoo.